Okay, I think it's time to get in. I'm starting to get cold now. Yeah, I'm going to stick my shoes in bin bag and stick them somewhere. I don't know, I don't know where, so they don't get wet or blown off the hill. That would be a disaster, wouldn't it? Can you imagine that, waking up in the morning? There's going to be no sleeping, but just kind of getting out in the morning and the shoes have gone. Right, I'll see you inside. Okay, it's going to get quite tricky to film now because there's obviously not a lot of room in here. I just don't know how it's going to work, but I'll try and film as much as I can so you can experience this hell. So let's have a look, time check. It is 9:30. So actually, yeah, sunset has just happened. Just happened now. So it's going to go dark very quickly now, I think. So we've got, what, 2.5 hours? Yeah, 2.5 hours until the rain is forecast to come in, but it could come in an hour early, you know. The forecast was not a lot of certainty in the weather forecast. That's what they said. It just feels a little bit like a waiting game now. Waiting for that rain to come in. I don't really know what the hell you can see anymore, but fun! Yay! It is fun. It is fun at the moment. Even later on when it gets horrendous, it'll still be fun. It does feel a little bit claustrophobic in here though, I must admit. I would bring you in, but I don't even know where to put you, to be honest with you. I'll put your pillow out as well. Oh. It is so comfy and so cosy at the moment. Okay, I thought I'd just show you the kind of space that we're working with here. As in, there isn't much at all. So I've got this little bit of headspace here, which is actually not so bad. I've got my pillow here, and then I've got the outside there. So it's actually a lot darker than it looks on this screen. So I'll be closing this very soon. I've got my pee bottle there, look. I've got a set of waterproof trousers down there somewhere. Can you even see? There's my waterproof trousers. I'm probably going to stick in them on as soon as I get up in the morning. It's going to be heavy rain, so I'm just going to get dressed and go. Gaviscon. I've got all my electronics down there to keep on filming if I can. You know, I don't know how much filming I'm going to be doing, to be honest with you. And there's my sleeping bag. That's me. That's my body down there. Can you see my body? So I'm just going to keep hanging around. I might try and drift off. Maybe get 30 minutes, something like that, and just wait for this rain. Okay, it is 11:20, and as you can see, it's pitch black. And we're just getting the first drops of rain. Look, can you see it? You might be able to see it. I can definitely feel it. Rocks. Grass. But I can see, I mean, you might be able to see it. Let's turn the lights out a bit. Can you see lights down? No, you can't. Okay, wind is picking up significantly now, and I think the rain's coming as well. Here it comes. So it's around about 20 to 12, and it's forecast midnight for heavy rain. So I think they've got it pretty much spot on. Every now and then I'm getting these really strong gusts of wind, you know, really strong. Like my whole body's just like, whoa. It's dawned on me that I'm not actually pegged down. I've got no guy ropes, I've got no pegs in. There's nothing to keep me attached to this hill. It's just the fact that I'm low to the ground is the only thing that's kind of probably keep me safe. I'm a little bit concerned that if I get a strong gust of wind, I'm going to be off. off the edge of the cliff. Picked up, woo! It's actually pretty good in here. It's fairly windproof, as in it can't feel the cold of the wind. I can hear the flapping of the wind. I can feel the flapping. And it is a bit damp in here, it has to be said. Bloody hell, shut up! I'm trying to talk to you. I shall update you as things happen, and hopefully nothing's going to happen. Hopefully we're not going to get blown off the cliff. It's looking a bit wet in here, isn't it? Look at that. I don't know whether that's just my moisture from breathing or whether that's water coming in. I have no idea. Let's close this door. I can feel it coming in. Stuff's definitely getting wet. Water's coming in. The storm flap on this thing's not working, look. That's just fresh air. Look, that's sky there. And the rain's coming right and hit me right in the face. So that storm flap on the outside just isn't closing. So it's a really big storm flap, but it rolled up and it's not sticking to the Velcro now. So I'm having to hold it kind of through the bag. So I don't mind that, as long as it, you know, as long as the water doesn't keep coming in. This is not working. Look at that. It's absolutely soaking wet. Oh God. Look at it. The actual river of water running down here. There's a bit of a design flaw with it. This storm flap doesn't work. So it's 12:30. It's sunrise at 5, and it's going to be doing this for another 4.5 hours. It's going to be like a lake in here. Well, it's coming in the whole, every bit of this door. You can even see me now, I don't know. It's coming in every bit of this door. Well, we'll see. I'll keep you posted. There's been no sleep tonight at all. I've got an actual lake forming now. Look. This is not good. Oh God. It's getting windier. Significantly windier, significantly wetter as well, look. I don't know what to do, I don't know. All I can do is just stay here and just endure it. At the moment I'm still warm. I think if that changes, if I start to feel water come through the sleeping bag and I'm just getting cold, then I guess I'll have to pack up and go. Anyway, hope you're having fun. Have you got a brew? I could murder a brew right now. It's getting heavier. Every time I just saw a pipe drop off, a massive gust. I'm absolutely soaking wet. Everything's just drenched. Totally drenched. This is a bit of a disaster. Yay! Fun! Morning. I think it's morning. I think it's actually about 3:30 at the moment. So where are we now? Sunrise is at 4:48, I think it is. But it's already getting light. I can see the light kind of starting to happen now. God, can you see how wet this is? I think it's a combination of excuse me. A combination of water coming in through the vent, definitely design flaw that, and a bit of condensation as well. So my sleeping bag is soaked, you know, on the outside, but it hasn't penetrated still, so I'm still nice and toasty warm. Anyway, I'm gonna have a bit more kip, about an hour kip, and then start to think about making a move. So I'll see you in a bit. morning. It is officially morning now, so the sun has risen. Not really. Somewhere. It is somewhere out there behind 50,000 miles of cloud. Anyway, have I slept at all? Have I buggery? I think I might have had maybe all in about 5 minutes. It's like just drifting off and yeah, not comfortable at all. But an interesting experiment nonetheless. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to galvanise myself now to get the hell out of here. At the moment, I'm kind of damp around my arms and around my head, but my body's really warm and dry. In a minute, when I get out, everything's going to be soaked. So I've got my waterproof pants are in here somewhere. Somehow get them on. Try and pack as much away as possible that's already in here if I can. I mean, I can't really sit up or anything. It's a bit tricky, so you can't see me now. The light moved, soz. Then I'm going to stuff everything in the pack and just run off here as quickly as possible. It is proper thick clag out there, so it'll be interesting. And then we'll get to the van. I've got a change of clothes down there. I'm going to get changed. And the idea is to go to Styles. I want to go to Styles and get some breakfast this morning. I want to get the American breakfast because I've not had it for ages and I really want it. I want a big stack of pancakes. And that's not a lot to ask for, is it? But that's hours off yet, so I'm probably going to just get in the van, get changed, drive and park outside of Styles and probably have a nap, I think. So that's the plan anyway. Yeah, so here we go. Let's do it. Oh God. Yay, having fun. Okay. Let's do this. It's a bit sketchy in that if I slide off. Look at that. Look at that, it looks like we're in Hawaii or something.